Good morning everyone. Today we have discussed the chapter number 14 Taylor series. But in the discussion of Taylor series, we know about the power series. Power series, a series is the power of z minus z naught is the called a power series. Basically, the power series is denoted by summation of n की वैल्यू 0 to infinite an z minus z naught की पावर n a naught plus a1 z minus z naught plus a2 z minus z naught का होल स्क्वायर प्लस डॉट 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 an z minus z naught की पावर n. Here a naught a1 a2 dot 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 an are the coefficient of the series and equation number 1 is the called of power series about the point of z0 and also the radius of convergence in the power series. Consider the power series of summation of an z की power n by using Cauchy theorem. The radius of convergence means radius find out करना है तो 1 by r equal limit n tends to infinite an की power 1 by n and the second formula is 1 upon n limit of n tends to infinite a n plus 1 divided by an whole modulus. Example number 1 we have taken. Find the radius of convergence of the power series fz equal n tends to infinite z की power n 2 की power n divided by 3. Basically you know that an equal to 1 upon 2 की power n plus 3. तो an plus 1 means 2 की power n plus 1 plus 3. तो formula 1 upon r limit n tends to infinite modulus an plus 1 divided by an. Put the value of an and an plus 1. Then 2 की power n common upper side and lower side. Then 1 upon 3 की power 3 divided by 2 की power n 2 plus 3 by divide की power 2 की power n 2 power n cancel. Then 1 upon r equal to 1 by 2 means r equal to 2 means radius of convergence equal to 2. In the next we have discussed the Taylor's theorem. So means Taylor series or Taylor's theorem. If a function fz is analytic at the points inside the circle C with its centers at the point A, the radius of R at the points of Z inside C. Then the Taylor's series is fz equal to fa plus f dash a z minus a plus f double dash upon factorial to z minus a का whole square plus dot 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 f n a upon factorial and z minus a की power n. This is a Taylor series. If a equal to 0, this series is called Maclaurin series. Means fz equal to f naught plus z f dash 0 plus f double dash 0 upon factorial to z square plus dot 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 f n a upon factorial and z की power n. Means if z not equal to 0, z minus a, if a equal to 0, then the series is called Maclaurin series. Then example number 2. If e की power z equal to a, expand e की power z about a means fz equal to e की power z, f dash z equal to e power f double dash z equal to, then f equal to e की power f dash a equal to e की power f double dash, and the formula fz equal to fa plus f dash a z minus a plus f double dash a upon factorial to z minus a का whole square plus dot 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 f n upon factorial z minus. Then fz equal to e की power z, fa equal to e की power a and value is put and find the series. And also taken the example number 3rd. Third means expand fz equal cos hyperbolic z about pi I means z naught means a equal to pi I, fz equal to cos hyperbolic z. Cos hyperbolic z you know that e की power z plus e की power minus z divided by 2. Then f dash z equal to sin hyperbolic z, f double dash z equal to cos hyperbolic z and f triple dash z equal to sin hyperbolic z. Put the value of f z equal to a. तो ef a means cos hyperbolic pi I, cos hyperbolic pi I value equal to -1. Then also f dash a, f double dash a, f triple dash a and put the value in the formula. Then cos hyperbolic z equal to cos hyperbolic pi I, cos hyperbolic pi I z minus pi I sin hyperbolic pi I z minus pi I का whole square upon factorial cos hyperbolic pi I z minus pi का whole cube factorial dot dot and value is cos hyperbolic pi I equal to -1 and put the value and sin hyperbolic pi I equal to 0. Then the So answer is cos hyperbolic. Z equal to -1 minus z minus pi I का whole square upon factorial to minus z minus pi I का whole power 4 upon factorial plus dot dot dot. This is a answer. Thanks.